Chapter 1. Christmas Day, 1944. The body was still warm. Warm but no pulse, I realized, as I felt his neck right below the jawline. He could have been here 3 minutes or 3 hours. But what really concerned me was how much time I had left on this narrow ledge. I was hundreds of feet atop a dazzling white cliff, the frigid English Channel launching waves against the rocks below. I grasped his collar with one hand, and I pulled as I struggled to keep a foothold in the crumbling chalk. I dug in my heel, but all that did was send a cascade of pebbles and dirt sliding down the incline before they tumbled over the edge beyond the dead man's feet. I reached out with my free hand to grasp a tuft of grass sprouting from the white chalk, but it came away and threw me off balance. I tried to dig my fingers into the soil, but nothing offered a solid grip. I felt the body move. Was this guy still alive? No. The body was dead weight, and I was holding on to it as it slipped away. I was fighting gravity, and it was a losing battle. Small stones clattered below each time I pulled him toward me. The only thing between us and a hard fall was a few strands of rusting barbed wire. "Billy!" Diana shouted from above. I risked a glance over my shoulder and saw her greatcoat flung my way. "Grab it!" The sleeve hem was a foot from my hand. Diana gripped one sleeve with both hands. She was lying prone, so I didn't have to worry I'd drag her over the edge. I pressed my body hard against the sloping ground and reached out my arm. The greatcoat was almost in reach. I pulled the body closer, my arm quivering against the weight. "Let him go!" Diana shouted. It was good advice, but I knew I wouldn't take it. Couldn't take it. Not with the sticky feel of blood on my hand where I had him by the collar. This wasn't just a random fall. Someone had knocked this yank on the head and shoved him over. It was murder. And that was something I couldn't let go.